एज पर द से न्ही फायल केल्या पुलिसांनी ताज्या प्रमाणे on 15/3/2025 a complaint was filed against my client Mr. Vishan Kamat and others की तांच्यांनी एक with common intention to gain right in landed property where various survey numbers are mentioned. They have dishonestly prepared a forged will of late one person by impersonating, forging his signature on the will आणि अशा तरेन म्युटेशन करून त्यो प्रॉपर्टीज आपल्या नावार केल्यो अशें एलिगेशन केलें. देन बेस्ड ऑन दीस कंप्लेन देर वॉज एन FIR registered by Marsa police station bearing crime number 53/25 under various sections of forgery and forged documents and so and so. All those who are named as accused filed anticipatory bails. Their anticipatory bails were dismissed by the Honorable Sessions Court. Subsequently, upon dismissal of the anticipatory bails, two accused, Devidas Panjikar and Vaman Pole were arrested. They were attesting witnesses to the will. So they were arrested. Subsequently, their bails were filed and they were granted bail. This Vishan Kamat, my client, filed anticipatory bail before the Honorable High Court. In spite of filing bail before the Honorable High Court, Vishan Kamat was arrested. After arrest, I filed bail before the Honorable JMFC, and then after filing bail, police filed their sale. Arguments were advanced, and subsequently today, regular bail is granted to Mr. Vishan Kamat by the Honorable JMFC.
Conditions किती घातले सर?
भरपूर कंडिशन्स घातल्या. Arguments असले. There was an intervention filed by the complainant. Intervention was also filed in the anticipatory bail application, which was allowed. In this bail application also intervention was filed. Intervention was allowed. The learned advocate for the intervener argued. I argued. After hearing both of us, the Honorable JMFC was pleased to grant bail to my client.
Bond लिखो.
Conditions घाले खूप हातून 30,000 ची surety. मागीर the accused and surety shall furnish detailed address with photo identity proof along with phone numbers to the court and to the investigating officer, and shall intimate the court change of address, phone number. The condition: accused shall not commit similar offence. Accused shall remain present for trial whenever charge sheet is filed or as and when directed by IO and court. Accused shall not threaten witnesses. Accused shall not interfere with the complainant. Accused shall report to the IO every 15 days after his release between 10 AM to 12 noon till completion of investigation. And in case if the conditions are breached, then the IO is entitled to take steps for cancellation of bails. या conditions घाले.
So दोघांची बेल झाल्यांची नाव किती?
ते देविदास पणजीकर आणि वामन पोले यांची दोघांची बेल झाले. The allegation was that they were attesting witnesses to the will. कोण आहे?
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.